3883 and 3120 Intermodal. He's a short Intermodal. I can't believe it. With 2 engines, he's short. Man, he's a short Intermodal. Well, everybody, hope all of you enjoyed this train video here. And if you did, can you smash that thumbs up button? Go thumbs up on this video. Can you do that for me? If you're new and you came along this train video, can you hit that red subscribe button down below? And subscribe to my channel and check out my other train videos here I got plenty, so feel free to check them out. Also hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload a train video, you'll be notified. Also leave comments. But until my next train video, they call me Mr. Canada National, and this train video's over. Have a good one. Take care.